Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and in today's video I will give you an update about my NoFap practices. So it's been 120 days of practicing NoFap and in today's video I will tell you everything about it. So you will learn a lot of things from this video. So please watch the whole video, and if you like my videos then you can also subscribe this channel. And one more thing, that if you want to talk to me then you can message me on Instagram. I have given my Instagram ID in the description below. Now let's start this video. Now in this video I will tell you the 4-5 most important things that happened in the last few weeks, and in the end I will tell you 1-2 important things that will help you a lot in your NoFap journey, and it will also save you from the fake information that people give you about NoFap. So let's start with the benefits. Now the first thing that NoFap will do is, or the first thing that happened with me is, NoFap will reduce your overthinking, because generally boys spend a lot of time in thinking about girls and sex, and when you are practicing NoFap you shift your focus from these things to the important things in life. So as a result, NoFap will reduce your overthinking. Now the second thing that will happen to you is your mind will become clear and peaceful. Now this is not something that will happen within a week or 2 weeks of practicing NoFap. This will take time. You can say it will take around 60 to 70 days of practicing NoFap, but this thing will happen for sure if you keep on practicing NoFap. Now the third thing that will happen to you after practicing NoFap is, it will save you from procrastination. You know, we keep on delaying things, but once you start practicing NoFap, it gives you a sense of responsibility and self-confidence, and as a result you will not postpone things. And I have personally experienced this thing, and it has helped me a lot in the last few weeks. Now let's talk about the fourth and the final benefit of NoFap, and this is the main benefit that I have experienced, but this benefit will only happen if you read the books that I will tell you to read. And these books are: number 1, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. Number 2 is Srimad Bhagavad Gita by Lord Krishna. And this is the third book, Physical Life by Satyam. Now all these three books are great, and it will improve you a lot if you read this book along with practicing NoFap. If you read these books on a regular basis along with practicing NoFap, then it will make you 10 times stronger mentally and emotionally. And this is the main benefit of NoFap that I have experienced. Now the link of all these three books are in the description below, so you can buy these books from there. And before ending this video, I want to tell you one most important thing, and it is that a lot of fake information is going on about NoFap, that it will make you a superhuman, it will make you 10 times physically stronger, it will improve your focus by 100 times. But this is total bullshit. Indulging in sexual activities is completely okay unless you are addicted to it. So this was the update that I wanted to share with you. Now if you have any question or any doubt in your mind, then you can always ask me in the comment section below, or if you want to support me then you can join this channel and become a member. So this is all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.